Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to make M2E Pro automatically update your products just as you want. M2E Pro listings are updated according to sync rules that you can configure in the related policy settings. Let's take a closer look. In the configuration section, make sure to turn on an inventory synchronization feature, otherwise sync policy rules won't work. Go to Policy tab to create a new sync policy or edit the existing one. Sync policy is divided into 4 sections by the main M2E Pro actions. In each section, you will find a list with conditions for these actions to work. When you specify the conditions, the product in a listing will be automatically listed, relisted, revised, or stopped on a channel once the specified conditions are met. You can also use advanced conditions to create flexible sync rules for even the most custom cases. Let's imagine you want products to be listed only if they have attribute list to eBay set to yes, or you want them to be listed only if they have a certain brand. First, you will need to choose conditions on which advanced rules would be triggered. If you set all option, M2E Pro will launch the action only when all provided conditions are met. If you need the action to work even when one of the conditions is met, choose any. After that, select if the conditions need to be true or false. Now you can find the needed attributes using drop-down lists. First, we will find list to eBay and set it yes. After that, we will find brand attribute and we will enter the needed name, for example M2E. That's it. Now when any of these conditions is met, the products will be automatically listed. All the products with M2E brand will be listed despite the value they have in the list on eBay attribute, and all the products with yes value in list on eBay attribute will be listed despite the brand value. And now let's imagine another situation when you need to stop products, skirts for example, that have a price less than 1. For that, we need to choose price attribute, change is to less than, and enter 1. Then we will need type attribute and set skirts. That's it. Unlike the previous example, these rules will work only if both conditions are met. Then all the skirts that have a price less than 1 will be stopped on the channel. After you configure all conditions, don't forget to save the policy.